Hey everyone, welcome back to something completely different. This is the Rapido Trains Platinum Mystery Box for 2025. I'm going to do a little unboxing video with you. I'm narrating this because I recorded most of the video without turning on my microphone. Great. So, yeah, let's get back to it. Just going to cut this box open and we'll get in there. So yeah, it's full of packing peanuts. And all the videos I've seen of people opening up these boxes, they dig through them, make a mess. I'm not going to do that. I'm just going to shop vac them all out. Here we go. We got the Canadian toque. Perfect. We got a couple stickers. Our first item, though, is a 1980s Chevy Caprice, which is actually pretty nicely detailed. Yeah, there it is. 1980s Caprice. Pretty nice piece. We'll open it up later and have a look. So next item is a container car, CP container car with CN and CSX. Yeah, I was looking for the label on the box. There was no description. So yeah, another nice piece. Next up is the Santa Fe refrigerated car. I believe it's a 50-footer. And you can put a sound module in it, but it doesn't come with it. Next up is the Rapido tumbler. Another nice piece. Ah, there it is. Nice glass with the Rapido logo on it. Next up is the 50-foot Berlin Mills boxcar. And all these, all the rolling stock I'm going to get out of the package, and you'll see them on the track after. But for now, let's dig out the locomotive, and it is the H1644 in Canadian National, the 1950s paint scheme. And we're going to get this onto the track too. And I believe, yep, the chocolate coin. All right, let's dig into the locomotive. So we have our instruction manual. French on one side, English on the other. We got a few stickers with it. I'll put them into my sticker pile. All the rolling stock came with stickers too. Now let's dig out the locomotive. Now it actually has a really nice weight to it. It has a little baggie of extra pieces. Now here is where you can hear my heart break if I turned on the microphone. The handrail stuck to the packaging. You can see it right there at the back. There's a little foam pad that's glued to the package, and the glue bonded to the handrail as well. And as soon as I opened the clamshell, it ripped it right off. So I'm going to get some tweezers now to try to separate this. It really wasn't stuck too hard, just enough to rip it off. But I'm just going to get all these little foam pieces out of here, the other protective pieces. No other surprises here. Yeah, as you can see, the foot plate fell off too. But I'll take a closer look at this after. Here's the front of it. Everything's good on the front. That's how it's supposed to look. A little foot plate there. Otherwise, really nice model. Now we're just going to gently put this down on the track. Get the plastic off the bottom. There we are. Now let's take a closer look. All right, let's have a little closer look here at the damage that was happening. Oh yeah, so the safety chain is broken off of the other side there, and you can see the dowel pins from the handrail are broken off in the body. But see what we can do for now. Ooh. Pop that back in there. Okay. Well, it's okay for now. So we can run it and check out some other details on it. We'll start with the lights. Now I'm just testing this out on a very basic Bachmann DCC controller. So I can't do the rear class lights, but I can do the fronts for you. So I'll move you around to the front. All right, I'm just going to dim the lights. There, I think that's okay to test the lights with. So we'll go headlight, and we'll do the class lights. First they light up in white, turn them off, red, back to white. Now I'm going to turn the lights back on. Now we're going to try out the sound. So I'll put the microphone down beside so you guys can hear this. I'm not going to go through every function, just the basics. Okay, now I'm going to test out the stay alive feature, or the Mo power as they call it. We'll see how long it runs after I take it off the track. Wow, that was a good 5 seconds. Let's have a look at this Caprice. Pretty detailed. I do like it. Alright, so final thoughts. I do like the Locomotive a lot, even though I live in Western Canada and I probably would have preferred a Canadian Pacific version of it. But performance-wise, works amazing. And this reefer car, being the same time period as this Locomotive, it's perfect. My layout was going to be set in the 60s, which makes these three pieces unusable, but 60s or 80s, I don't know. Maybe I'll bump my layout up to the 80s so I can use at least the boxcar and the Caprice. I don't think the container car has any place on my layout, really. I might just sell that. But overall, fairly happy. We'll see what I can do to repair the handrail. And yeah, thanks for watching.